guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video I have for you a few palettes of Huda Beauty's dupes, and these are from SFR colors. So this one is it. This is a naughty palette, right? You might have seen it in the get ready with me video, right? Then I have these two palettes. One is mint and lilac. Then I have three palettes: brown, toffee, caramel, that thing, you know, chocolate, caramel and toffee, these. So I do have 6 palettes from Huda Beauty, which are the dupes of Huda Beauty. And you know, I think each one of these palettes would deserve, you know, like these would be one video, these would be one separate video, and this naughty palette is today's video. So yeah, let's do that. We are doing that today. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's do this look. Let's go. So if you were in the get ready with me video, you would have seen this palette already, and I think it is a very, how should I say this, like a bang on duplicate for the naughty palette. And yeah, okay, one thing, this color, this marble thingy, it is oozing oil, and the oil literally वो सारे इस palette पे लगा हुआ था जब ये मेरे पास आया था. And because of that, the name of the shades has scraped off, and that happened. I mean, I can still see the names like this, but उसके ऊपर की जो shimmery thing थी वो उतर गई है, तो वो ऐसे दिखाई नहीं देगा, right? So this is a very neutral wine burgundy kind of palette, not something that I gravitate towards very often. But when I saw this, and I saw this for 350 rupees only, I was like, oh my god, I need to review this. There is no way in hell that I'm not reviewing this palette because it needs a moment. And we have it now. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get into it. Okay, this palette is basically, see, like this: brownie, pinky, nude, burgundy and winey. Mostly on the nude side, has a little bit of pinks and shimmers. They have these 3 metallic marble colors. You know, there are like 1, 2, 3 and 4 marble colors. One this ball thingy, and then there are a few shimmers as well over here. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte shades, right? So yeah, I mean, I will swatch the shimmers and stuff as we go into it. Let's just do the matte base first, right? I'll do the darker color today, and let me start off with this one. This is called Spicy. Let's take Spicy then. And let's see if this palette has any pigment. Although I have tried SFR color ke palettes pehle bhi, the dupe ones, and they've always been bomb, so I have my hopes high in there. Oh, okay. I see color. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, that is pigmented. I'm not sure if Huda original even has that, because this one, oh my god, it's so pigmented. So these are dark burgundy crazy shades, and you have to be very careful while working with these. So I would suggest just take your time in blending them up, and yeah, I mean, just don't rush over things. Take your time, build them up. That is how we are doing it. Now, what do I need to blend this? Let me just take a little bit of this pink shade called Filthy. I think that is what it is. And let's just take this, and I think a little bit of this one as well. This khaki color called Rough. Okay, it's the naughty palette, and the names are naughty as well. Filthy, Rough. Okay, I don't see color. The brown is showing up, but the pink isn't. Also, this color that I've already laid down, it's not blending. And let's take some other color and see if it blends. This is literally just sticking there and it's not blending. Okay, let me just try one more time. Okay. The thing is, that color is sticking on the lid now and it's not coming out. So Spicy, see, you can see yahan pe it's not blending. It's literally there, it's not blending. which is a bummer. Like मैंने घिस दी है अपनी eyelids, but this is not blending. And okay, okay, yeah. Just when I was so happy with the pigment, this happened. Yeah, same thing. वो वहीं पे fix हो गया है and it just refuses to blend. So the thing is, if you are working with this palette, you apply color and you blend it side by side. You don't wait for it to set down. Now let me take another darker color. There is another dark color called Untamed. Now this is more like a grape wine color. This is a little bit more red burgundy color. So yeah, there is a difference between the two colors. So let me just take Untamed. This will be a very smoky eye, okay? And I am here for the smokes. See, here's the thing. If you see, both of these colors are so similar that you can barely make a difference between them. I don't know if they look this similar in the original as well. Let me just swatch both of them for you. Oh my god, just look at them. Yeah, I mean, you can see, you can make out the difference. This is Untamed and this is spicy, a little bit more grapey and violet, and this is a little bit more red. Yeah. Oh wow, the swatches are so pretty. Yeah, I mean, there is a clear difference. This is purplish and this is a little bit more red, but I swear on the eye you can barely make out the difference because they are very similar. Yeah, there is a little blendability issue for me, and I think there it is. So let's start off with first things first. Let me just show you the shimmers, okay? So this is the first one. This is Shameless. Then we have the second one, which is Please Me. Wow, these are very wet looking shimmers. Wow. Then we have Irresistible. These are very soft to touch. Wow, they are very wet looking. And then there is this called little less tantric, as they call in English, but for us it's tantric. And then we have Desire. Desire is a little bit less intense. Wow. First one was Shameless, and let's just swatch over here. This is how Shameless looks. Okay. The swatch was nice, but it doesn't swatch this well now. Oh wow, this is very putty feeling. See, my finger is literally engrossed in the palette. This is how soft they are. The second one was Please Me. So the first one, this one is actually a pink toned shimmer. Pink shimmer. The second one is more like a brown tone, but it has pink shimmers to it. So this is a little bit more browny, but has a pink reflex. So this was Please Me. Then we have Irresistible. Again, a pink. This is a little bit lighter, you know, like orange brownish with pink shimmer. Then we have Tantric, which is a straight up orangish goldish thing. And then the last one is this one. This is Desire, and this is how it looks. I mean, let me tell you, they look very wet. You know, they have this very wet feeling to them, but they are very subtle, okay? Then these were the simple shimmers. Let me show you those marble shimmers that Huda has in her palettes, and yeah, the rip-off to that. So the first one is, this is Passion. Wow, okay, this is how it looks. Then we have Hard. Now this, honestly, these don't look shimmering to me. These look more like matte. I mean, this Hard looks very matte. This one looks a little bit shimmery. Then we have Flower Power, and I mean, I'm not sure how Huda does it, but this looks a little bit floppy to me. And then we have Provocative. Because ये जो ऊपर ऊपर मार्बल वाला है ना, अगर ये उतर जाएगा तो इसके नीचे क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. So let's start with Provocative, and this is how it looks. Oh, this was better than the whole shimmer thing, right? Then we have this Flower Power, and wow, this is a little lackluster. This was Hard, Pass, something like that. This was Hard, yeah, this was Hard. And the first one was Passion, the grapey one. Yeah, I mean, these two look matte to me. Not shimmery, but matte. Like, this is so similar to these. So what is the point of making them marbly if they are similar? Honestly speaking, I am a little underwhelmed with the shimmer when it comes to the color scheme. The shimmers are very soft colored. I would have gone with a very sultry, darker shimmer thingy, but I just feel they are very soft and very light colored. I'll go with Please Me and a little bit of Provocative to it. Okay, this is so bad. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works. Is it good enough? No. Let's see. Please Me with the fingers. That feels so wrong. Please Me with the fingers. Wow. Okay. This is better. Okay, this is better. Now I will take this color Desire and jo bachi hai lid, I'll just add it there. Ooh, I took it a little bit in the corners of my eyes as well, and I think it looks very nice. This is nice. Like, I'm not mad at it. So I'll just take this hard one, this hard color thingy. Let's see how it works, and I'm just taking it on the lower lid. Oh my god, you barely just work. You just... What is the thing? Let me just take that passion thing as well. The two marble shades, I'm taking them and I'm just putting them over here to smoke out my lower lash line. Let's see this marble thingy as well. Ooh. This is how it is. This is how it is. It is very oily. I don't think it has any pigment to it. This is just very oily and useless. Did it give anything to the eye? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's do a wing. Okay, I'll just do a wing and I'll quickly finish this eye look and then I'll be back with my final thoughts and opinions. Okay, so this is the complete look, you guys, and I went with Burgundy blush lipstick and Jeffree Star lip gloss. Wow, I think I'm feeling the gloss today. You know, it's the juicy glossy lips, and I just skipped the falsies, right? And yeah, I mean, honestly speaking, I don't hate the palette, let's be honest over here. Not that I hate this palette, but I'm not in love with this either. I am a little underwhelmed, and yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just feel like there aren't enough options to explore with this palette. Every time I would actually go into this palette, the look would be so similar to this. And if I have 18 colors in a palette and I just get one look or two looks maximum, I don't think it makes sense. You know what, I wouldn't recommend this to you. Okay, just save your money, save your buck. Yeah, don't buy the naughty one either. Don't buy the original, don't buy the duplicate. Just... So that's it for today's video, you guys, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video.